Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you invert black and white photo in iPhone. So at first, just select the particular photo that you want to make black and white, just like this photo. Now just click the edit icon in the top, and after that, click the bottom this three ring icon. Now if you go to the right side, it will be more black and white, and the last three are the most black and white effects, and among the last three, the last one have the most black and white effect. And now if you want to invert this photo into black and white, now just click on done and your photo will be black and white. So guys, that's how you can invert photo black and white in iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.